That metallic knocking sound? Your engine bearings are literally grinding themselves to death with every mile you drive. What starts as a small tap becomes violent hammering as metal scrapes against metal at thousands of revolutions per minute. Cheap gas makes it worse by creating carbon deposits that starve your bearings of oil. Within weeks, that innocent knock becomes complete engine seizure, a $2,000 repair that could have been prevented with premium fuel and regular oil changes. Don't ignore the knock.